Want to uninstall Windows 11 Update 24H2? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. If KB5063878 is causing issues on your Windows 11 24H2, then follow these steps to safely uninstall it. First, head over to your settings. Now, go to System. From here, select Windows Update. Now find the option of Update History, click on that. Then scroll down and find the option of Uninstall Updates, click on that. Here you want to look for KB5063878 in the list. Once you found it, click on the Uninstall option. Now, on this box, you want to click on Uninstall again to confirm, then follow the prompts and wait for Windows to remove the update. Now, restart your PC to ensure the changes take effect. If you want to prevent this update from reinstalling automatically, you want to pause your update. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.